Alright everyone, welcome to break 671 for the 2018 TriStar Hinchers Autograph Mini Helmet. Appreciate all you guys getting into the break. This is the division break, so there's 8 spots. It's a live break. First thing, as always, refresh the date and time. It's Wednesday, April 11th, 2018. It's 11:02 p.m. Eastern Time, and it is 8:02 p.m. Pacific Time. Alright, so, our 8 spots. K-Town with 1, Wheels with 2, Crut with 2, Jose 1, Raiders fan 1, K-Town. You snagged the last one. Alright, so we have AFC East, AFC North, South, West, East, North, South, West in order. We're going to take this right here. We're going to copy 5 times, and then we'll paste here in column B, and that'll be the team you guys have. So let's check it. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Wheels, you're on top and on the bottom. 5 times, column B. So Wheels East, Raiders North, AFC South, Jose, AFC West. K-Town, you have NFC East and North. Crut, you have NFC South, and Wheels, you have NFC West. Alright, here's the teams. I'm still horrible at the divisions, but this is like my little cheat sheet, so I can remember. South. Like, I thought Dallas was the NFC South. Texas, you know? You think South. I don't know. Alright. Good luck to you guys. Best of luck. 671. Big winner, no whammies. Come on, man, we just pulled him. Alright, it's gonna be Roger Worley. I think the last break we just did was him. Empty box. I mean, he's still a good guy. Roger Worley, 7-time Pro Bowler, 5-time All-Pro, 71, second-team All-Pro, 7-time All-NFC, All-Decade Team, 40 career picks, College Hall of Fame, and Pro Football Hall of Fame. So, got ourselves a Hall of Famer here, Roger Worley. Beautiful signature. Hall of Fame 07. Roger Worley. Roger Worley. Alright. Who has the NFC? NFC West. NFC West. That's going to go to Wheels, man. Congrats, Wheels. You got yourself the Arizona Cardinals NFC West autograph mini helmet, man. Congrats. Thanks everyone for getting in. Let's give away a spot in the bonus break 5 times. Same thing. Alright, 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And Joseph, aka Jose, snagged yourself a spot in the bonus break. Congrats, man. This thing will be filled up in no time. I'm excited for that triple play, guys. That's gonna be here. I think it's gonna be here tomorrow or Saturday. Or no, what's today? Wednesday? It's gonna be here tomorrow or Friday. Jeez, it's been a long day. In class for 12 hours. Alright. So be sure to stick around for that. It's tomorrow or Friday. But alright. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the bell. Link is in the description for the eBay page. And Instagram as well. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for getting in. Have a good one.